You're probably using 5 to 10 different tools to run your business, and none of them actually work together. That's why smart agencies are switching to one platform, and it's called GoHighLevel, which can replace your entire tech stack and comes with built-in AI to automate your marketing, conversations, and even do jobs for you so you don't even have to lift a finger. And the craziest part, they're not just using it, they're reselling it and getting paid every single month. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how GoHighLevel works and how you can start using it today. So let's be honest about the cost of this mess. It's annoying and very expensive. Every time you have to log in somewhere else, you lose focus. And the worst part, your data is scattered. A lead comes into your website, but your email tool doesn't know about it. Your calendar is booked, but your CRM is empty. You're paying for 5 different subscriptions and still missing leads. It's time to stop wasting your most valuable asset, which is your time. Okay, so you're done with the chaos. Well, let's look at the fix. Imagine logging in once and seeing everything. Your website, your CRM, your invoices, your calendar, your phone system, and even your AI agents. It's all right there in one place. No more switching tabs. No more copying and pasting leads from another tool. None of that. So watch this. If I want a new website, I can build one here or have AI build the entire thing for me, which means I do not have to do any work. Then I collect leads with an AI that can book appointments from this widget. Right here is the appointment and the contact it created. Then I can send an email, text, or make a call right there from this one page. Or instead, I can schedule this voice AI to call and ask qualifying questions for me. Yes, for me. You set that up in a workflow which will send appointment reminders and tons of other automations. This pipeline is where I track each step of the deal. Let's say I close that deal. I can send an invoice and contract right here. Then, after the service, I can even ask for a review, then post that review to all of my socials with the content planner. That is literally what an all-in-one tool actually looks like. Everything in one place, all automated by AI. But here is where the real magic happens. This isn't just a tool for you to use. It's a product you can sell. You can make this entire system yours. That means you can put your logo on it, your business name, and sell it to your clients as if it's your own AI-powered software. Yes, you can white label it. You then can charge them a monthly fee. Okay, so say $297 or even up to $497 per month, or even higher if you want to. They get the tools they need to grow their business, and you keep the profit margin. Plus, with snapshots, you can build one perfect workflow, save it, duplicate it, and deploy it to 100 new clients in seconds. So you stop trading your time for money and you build an asset that actually pays you every single month, whether you are working or sleeping. That is the agency business model upgrade that I'm talking about with GoHighLevel. So if you're watching this and you're like, HighLevel looks amazing, I'm interested, but I'm not quite sold, I have an idea for you that I think you're going to like. And that is trying this software for 30 days. And then if you don't like it, you don't like the AI, you don't like the automation, you just cancel it. No sweat off your brow. Easy peasy. That way you can make an informed decision. Now, on their website, they normally give you a 14-day free trial. But I talked to the team and I've gotten you an exclusive 30-day free trial right down below that you can try risk-free. But on top of just giving you that 30-day free trial so you can actually make up your mind whether you like this or not, I also want to give you help from me and my team to make sure you actually fully utilize the software in those 30 days. Check this out. So like I said before, not only do you get 30 days, you're going to get access to a bunch of free bonuses to help you. So this is my entire private community full of winners, all of my training modules, snapshots, pre-built out systems, pre-built out AI agents, all right in here for you for free. But most importantly, 7 live coaching calls you can attend every week for free. Yes, that is ones where you can talk to me on Zoom, the wizard himself. Okay, and we got all kinds of other amazing coaches in here that are trained on high level, been using it forever, and guess what? You get access to them for free. That way, whether you're a beginner or more advanced and you're trying to use high level properly, I have all the hand holding you could possibly need to guide you through this process step by step. So if that interests you and you want to try this software for 30 days risk-free, go down below, click the link, sign up, and I will see you in my community, and I cannot wait to help you. Now let's recap the two biggest wins here. First, you cut your own operational costs and headaches by consolidating your entire tech stack in one platform. And second, you turn that platform into a recurring revenue stream by reselling it to your clients. You fix your own business, and you build a new income stream for your agency. It's the ultimate double dip. So if this interests you, check out the free trial right down below. If you have any questions and you want me to answer personally, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you. But most importantly, I'm going to link a video that's going to pop up right now that's going to be a beginner's guide to go high level. So you can see a little more of what this software can do and kind of get your toes wet, so to speak. So again, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.